Hi students, good morning to everyone. So, you recall the formula? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, hemisphere, sphere. You recall it? Okay. So, we know the formula means very easiest chapter this one. Okay. Then understand the combinations of solids. Okay. Right. So, first question: two cubes each of value 64 centimeter cube. Two cubes are there. It is one cube. Then each also with the same value. It is one cube is there. Both cube also value 64 centimeter cube. And joined end to end. And joined end to end. Okay, so the two cubes is joined. You get new shape as a cuboid. When the cube is joined under, cuboid. Okay, end to end. End to end. Okay, join means find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Okay, right. So next value of Qn. Value of cube. Okay, if cube means all the sides are equal. All the sides are equal. Value of cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube. 64 centimeter cube. Okay. So from the value we can find the side of cube. Okay. What is the value of cube? 64. This value should be equal to formula. This value should be equal to formula. What is the formula? A cube. So A cube is equal to 64. A cube is equal to 64. Okay. So taking cube root on both sides. Then you get taking cube root on both sides. Then you get A is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4 64. Okay. So A is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay. If end to end you join means already we here 4 centimeters no 4. Then another one 4. 8. But the length and breadth, sorry, height and breadth we cannot change it. It is E cuboid. It is E cuboid. Okay. So 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. Okay. Then the breadth is same, 4 centimeter. The height also 4 centimeter. Okay. So it is a new cuboid. It is a new cuboid. Okay. Right. So length is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 centimeter. Then breadth is equal to 4 centimeter. Then height is equal to 4 centimeter. Are you clear? Any doubt there? How you will get 8 centimeter length of cuboid? Any doubt there? Okay, the two cube joined end to end. Okay, so total surface area, that is surface area of a cuboid. Surface area of a cuboid is equal to, write the formula, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Surface area of cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, then substitute the value. L value 8. So 8 into B value 4 plus then B into H 4 into 4. 4 into 4. Okay. Then H into L. H value 4. L value 8. So 4 into 8. Okay. So 2 into 8 4s are 32. Plus 4 4s are 16. Plus 4 8s are 32. Okay. So 32 plus 32 64. 64 plus 16 80. So 2 into 80. So answer 100 centimeter square. Okay. So the surface area of the surrounding cuboid is equal to 160 centimeter square. Okay, students. Next question. Fourth question. A cubical block. One block is there. That is one building. A cubical block. Okay. Of size 7 centimeter. So it is a one black cubical block. Okay, size 7 centimeter. Okay, so cubical block means the shape of cube. On the building shape of cube. Okay, is surmounted. Surmounted by a hemisphere. Okay, surmounted by a hemisphere. So இது வந்து மேல வந்து surmount ஒரு hemisphere வந்து வச்சிருக்காங்க shape. Okay, right. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere? So it is a surmounted. Okay, so what is the greatest diameter? The length is diameter. Okay, so what is the length? 7 centimeter. Because it is a cubical block. If all the sides are equal, okay, so the greatest diameter of hemisphere, solution, side of cube is equal to 7 centimeter. The greatest diameter of hemisphere equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so find the surface area of the solid. Find the surface area of the solid. How will find it? Total surface area of cube plus hemisphere, total surface area of hemisphere. Correct? Isn't it? Okay. The top view I will explain now. It is a top view. Okay, on top one hemisphere, surmounted hemisphere. Isn't it? On your top. Okay, listen. It is here top of cubical block. On the top of cubical block, like this, it is there. Okay, one surmount like hemisphere. Okay, how will find the top area? Recall it. The top area vai eppadi find out பண்ணுவ? It is a square shape. Okay, on the square shape one hemisphere is there. Okay, how will find it? So area, the top view, okay, minus, okay, so the hemisphere fit with the top view, no? What is a shape? That is circle shape. Okay, that is circle shape. You imagine it. ஒரு ஹெமிஸ்பியர் பவுல் இருக்கு, அஷ்யூம் இட் பவுல் இருக்கு. அந்த பவுல் அப்படி ஃபிட் பண்றோம் அப்படினா அது என்ன ஷேப்ல இருக்கும்? அந்த டாப் வியூல எதை கட் பண்ற மாதிரி இருக்கும்? That is a shape of circle. Okay, that is circle shape, you cut it. Okay, so for the remaining area we need, how we find area of side minus area of circle. Area of side minus area of circle. Okay, I imagine only the top view. Okay, imagine only top view. Okay, then okay, you cut it. Then it is a shape of hemisphere. Okay, the bottom of hemisphere fit with the top view. Bottom is like circle, no? That is fit with the top view. Okay, so it is a curved surface area and plus curved surface area of hemisphere plus remaining area. How many sides are there? Totally 6 faces are there, no? One face is occupied with some hemisphere. But remaining how many faces are there? 5 faces. So for 5 in the area of side, 5a square. Okay, are you clear? So recute area is equal to recute area surface area is equal to here one side area side here one. But total surface area la irundhu nama cut pandrom. Total surface area la irundhu the top only you cut it. Okay, that is like circle shape. Okay, so total surface area of cube minus area of circle plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Are you clear? Okay, here area of cube, area of one side that is a square. Here 5a square, 5a square plus a square 6a square. That is total surface area of cube. Okay, minus area of circle plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, right. Now substitute the values. First you write the formula. Total surface area of cube is equal to 6a square minus area of circle by a square plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Curved surface area of hemisphere 2 by a square. 2 by a square. Okay. Here both are same radius. Okay. It is radius of circle. Okay. The circle is bottom of hemisphere. Okay. Then here 2 by a square. So 6a square plus by a square. We can write it. Minus by a square plus by a 2 by a square. Okay. Radius values are same. Radius values are same. Okay. Now okay, 6a square plus by a square. Okay, now substitute the value. 6 into 7 square. A value side is equal to 7 centimeter plus 22 by 7. What about r value? R is equal to, here diameter is equal to 7 centimeter. Diameter of hemisphere is equal to 7 centimeter. But radius of hemisphere is equal to 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay. The 1 7 cancel. 1 2 is 2. 11 2s are 22. Okay. Now 6 into 49 plus 11 into 7. 77 divided by 2. Okay. Now 6 9s are 50. 6 9s are 54. Balance 4. 6 4s are 24. 29 plus 38.5. Okay, now add it 0.5. 4 plus 8 12. Balance 1. Okay, 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 1 3. Balance 1. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, so answer 332 centimeter square. 332 centimeter square. Okay, once again explain. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. On the top of cubical block, one surmount like a hemisphere, one surmount is there. Okay, shape is there. What is the greatest diameter of hemisphere can have? Okay, so maximum diameter can 7 centimeter because in the side of cube is equal to 7 centimeter only. So the greatest diameter of hemisphere is equal to 7 centimeter. So required area is equal to total surface area of cube minus area of circle on the top. Okay, area of circle then plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so 6a square total surface area of cube is equal to 6a square minus area of circle by a square plus 2 by a square. Okay, so 6a square minus by a square plus 2 by a square is equal to by a square. Okay, then 6 into 7 square, then by value 22 by 7 into r value 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Okay, so 6 into 49 294. 7 7 cancel. 1 2 is 2. 11 2s are 22. So 11 into 7 77 by 2 38.5. That means 332.5 centimeter square. Okay, that's all students. Thank you. The next question, third question. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hemisphere of same radius. Okay, a toy is in the form of a cone. Is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on hemisphere. Okay, one hemisphere is there of same radius. Okay, so it is a hemisphere mounted on a hemisphere. Which shape? Cone. Toy. Okay, like this. Okay, so how you will find this surface area, total surface area? Okay, already in example one like this, we did one sum. Okay, right. How will you find it? Curved surface area of cone, curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay, so radius is equal to given. Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, the total height of the toy, the total height is equal to 15.5 centimeter. 15.5 centimeter. Okay, so the radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So here also 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so height, total height is equal to 15.5 centimeter. Total height is equal to 15.5 centimeter. Okay, but we need height of cone. Height of a cone. Okay, so height of a cone is equal to total height minus, okay, total height minus, okay, is radius. Okay, radius how much here? 3.5. Okay, so total height minus 3 radius. Okay, so h is equal to total height how much? 15.5. So 15.5 minus 3.5. Radius 3.5 centimeter. So 15.5 minus 3.5. Height is equal to 12 centimeter. Height is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay. So what about radius? Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So we need to find the total surface area of tie is equal to curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of hemisphere. Okay. To obtain curved surface area, we need radius and slant height. We need radius and slant height. Okay. But we don't know only height, so need to find slant height. So slant height for the L is equal to square root of h square plus r square. Okay. So what about h value? 12 no. So 12 square. 12 square value 144 plus 3.5. 3.5 square value 12.25. Okay, add and now you get 156.25. Okay, 156.25. Okay, so taking square root means L is equal to 12.5. Okay, once again explain. 156.25. Okay, taking square root from whole number you choose two digits from back side. One black here, this one black, here one black. So one is 1, remainder 0. Next you take 56. Okay. Then what is here? 1. You multiply with 2. That is 2. Okay. You choose any one number. Then multiply by the same number. If chosen by 3 means 2 3s are 6. But if we have only 56. Okay. 2 3s are 6 means 60. So you choose 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Balance 12. So 2. Then you take point. Next 5. Then 12 means 22. 24. Sorry. 12 means 24. Okay. 24. 2 5s are 10. You choose 5. 5 5s are 25. Balance 2. 4 5s are 20. 22. Balance 2. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2. 12. Okay. So answer 12.5. So L is equal to 12.5 centimeter. L is equal to slant height 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so this one you copy. Then next the total surface area of toy is equal to total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area of a cone plus curved surface area of a hemisphere. Okay, so next write the formula. Curved surface area of cone formula by r l by r l plus 2 by r square. 2 by r square. Okay, here what are the common values? By r common values. Okay, so for both shape radius same. For both shape, sorry, for both shapes radius be same. Okay, so by r you take as common by r remaining l plus 2r, l plus 2r. Okay, so by r square means r into r. Right. Next substitute the values. By value 22 by 7 into r value 3.5 into l value 12.5 plus 2 into r value 3.5. Okay, that's all. Okay, so you copy it here. I think space is not enough. 22 by 7 into 3.5, l value 12.5 plus 2 into 3.5. Okay, then we cancel on 0.5. 12 into 0.5 11, 12 into 0.5 11. Okay, here 12.5, 2 into 3.5 7, 7 plus 12.5 19.5. Okay, so 11 into 19.5. So what is the answer? 214.5 centimeters square. Okay, 214.5 centimeters square. Okay, so that's all. Total surface area. Okay, first you understand the given shape. Okay, by visualizing. Okay, அதாவது நம்ம ஒரு இமேஜின் பண்ணி பார்த்துக்கோ ஷேப் எப்படி இருக்கு கொடுத்துருக்க தாய் எப்படி இருக்கணும் imagine it. Okay, then easily we can find the answer. Okay, so today's homework. So now 3 last class 4 sums completed. No, so these 4 questions you write come home test. Write as home test. Okay, thank you students.